The fourth SADC summit must protest. If ZANU-PF, its heavyweights, and the thugs are thinking that the SADC summit shall be an opportunity to rebuild their goodwill within the region through bribery and smokescreens, while suppressing the citizens' voice, then forget and smile. Chabondoka panapa. Vakomana vari kuratidza kushinga. Pane mashoko avari kubuda vachitaura panapa vachiti aiwa the week richange rine summit irero toda kutovhura hombe chaiko chaiko. Sara mena mashoko abuda chinogwa panapa hendo yari kunzi comrade treasure pasobo noti bo subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Tipinda pende pawanyara vachiti let it be known that it shall be a very busy and hectic week towards and on the 17th of August. We want to register our grievances directly with the heads of state and the government on the continent. This we shall execute through invoking Section 59 of our beloved national constitution. The freedom to demonstrate and petition remains a natural and inalienable right for all Zimbabweans and humans under the sun. If demonstrations are a crime, then brace for a war. Peaceful demonstrations are allowed. Domashiko anobuda chinogwa panapa ende pochiti aiwa vakomanaka week irero toda kunyaso execute our right. Vanoyatora section 59 vachiti section 59 yakanyatsobuda ikataura zvakanaka our beloved constitution zvirimo zvakanyogwa kunzi aiwa vanhu petitionai protestai so long ari ngori peace vari vachiti toda kuzviexposa. Chabvondoka muri Zimbabwe tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau iyi iri mudariro pina kume section medu. Usawa no subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.